Well, this is how to spend your weekend at the Petrol Hedonism event here in Wembley in London. Let's head over to Wembley live with Vic Mayer.
Hello guys, how are you? Welcome, we're in Petrol Hedonism today, live here at Wembley. I was approached by this lovely gentleman and he wants me to talk about my classics here today. So, I was invited by Chiro and I brought two of my classics. The first one is a 1971 Fiat 500 Abarth Evocation with an 800cc engine. What is so special about this car? Well, basically I'll show you over here. Basically, we have it's a right-hand drive, and it's quite rare. It has a 795cc engine, Gazzoli built engine, including flared arches by the famous Carlo Cacciavello. And we have it's 5-speed, and basically it has Fusina seats, and it's done in a way to imitate and go above and beyond the engine. Let's open the engine bay right now. You can see the beautiful engine, which is 800 cc's. So basically 800 cc's is giving me approximately 60 horsepower. So 60 horsepower on a 550 kilogram car. Do the math, it's quite nippy, quite interesting. So let's look at the interior. The interior is quite interesting, quite beautiful and quite unique. Look at that steering wheel, look at those Jaeger clocks, so it's quite nice. So, if you have any questions on these cars, feel free to send me an email or contact me via Instagram. My Instagram is Vic, V-I-C-M-A-Y-E-R, Vic Mayer UK, and I'll be happy to answer any questions on these strange cars. You can see my Instagram right there. So, well, I want to say goodbye and thank you for your time from Petrol Hedonism live here at Wembley Park, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you and have a great day.